I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Last time we played Mysteria, I remember I quit playing it because there was something so dumb that it made me like rage quit the other night. But I think I trauma erased it from my head. Cause like the past 10 minutes I was trying to remember what happened in Mysteria and I just could not remember it. I think I gaslit myself into forgetting what happened. Is the game category incorrect? For some reason, Twitch uses the Japanese name instead of the English name. So, Eikoku Tante Mysteria. Oh. My camera stopped working. Hold on. That is one hell of a face. One hell of a face to end on. Okay, there we go. You're so real for that. I'm sorry, my bad. Emily forgot Watson, or well, they both forgot each other, presumably. Oh, right. That does sound like something I get frustrated about. So yeah, let's play some more. I don't know how get stupid, get crazy, this is gonna get, but let's see. We did meet Moriarty. Oh right, yeah, cause he's the one in charge of Jack the Ripper. He's Jack the Ripper's daddy. Alright, let's continue. Oh, whoops. What do you mean? Right. Right. I saved it as what did you mean? I was so flabbergasted. Yeah, Emily, you fucking idiot. Oh, everything's coming back now. Oh no. Yeah, because, like, Watson told her, like, the whole backstory of meeting this girl when they were children, and then she remembers, and she's like, oh, it's definitely not Watson. Yeah, she did remember someone. Yes. She had like a flashback of getting caught in a trap and a guy coming and giving her first aid and like helping with her hair. Which, by the way, Emily, Watson, like last week mentioned saving a girl that got caught in a trap. But I guess we're not gonna, you know, retain any information that came into our head, you know? She forgot. Oh, thank God someone fixed her hair. Phew. His name was... Oh, I can't remember. I heard him say it, but I can't remember it all, Emily. I'm gonna smack you. Then again... I then recalled what Watson had said to me. Okay, let's go. We're so back. Oh my God. Are you gonna use your brain? Are you gonna use your brain? Am I gonna need to get out this? Are we cause him a great big deal of trouble day, or are we a hell queer day? You will be the one to decide that, Emily. She remember? Watson is the only dumb one. I then recall what Watson had said to me, but Watson knows that she's the girl, though. He was trying to get her to remember.
出会ったのはたまたまだったんだけど、その子、罠にはまった動物を助けようとしてた。
Yeah, he had a scene where he was like, yeah, she's just like she was back then. Yeah, so he knows. He knows that it's her. He was trying to get her to remember. Well, I say met, but it was more I stumbled into her. She'd been trying to free an animal from a trap. Oh my god, they made Watson a heartthrob. They really did. That makes it worse, Snuggle, like, for Watson or for Emily? Because he's trying. Just speak with words, bro. True. Just tell her how you feel, bro.
俺その子に何かしてやり
Being
た
the
かった
bad bitch I get by
その
becoming
ま
a
ま独りぼっちに
detective.
したら取り返しのつかないことになるんじゃ
He doesn't even have to. I wanted to help her, and though we managed to free the poor thing, it had grown so weak, and it didn't make it. Just say, oh, remember when we met? No need to confess. Oh, that's true.
それなのにやっぱり
Of course, there wasn't a single thing I could do or say. I couldn't make her smile, and I couldn't convince her that it was alright to cry. Honestly, now that's like putting me down a spiral of thoughts. That's like, Watson, why would you tell the girl that you had a crush on this girl when you wanted her to remember that she was the girl? Like, maybe he's confident. Maybe he's confident that that she'll return his feelings.
せいぜい
The only thing I was able to do was treat her injuries from the trap.
昔私を助けてくれた男の子って
Could he be that boy? I don't know, Emily. What do you think? What the fuck do you think? If he's that confident, then just confess. Watson, please stop being Fire Punch. His hair is such a standout trait. She'll have no choice but to acknowledge him. Oh my god, Emily. The boy who held out his hand when I was all alone. The boy who had told me it was alright to cry. As my mind turned over and over, the silhouette of that boy and Watson began to melt into one, until I wasn't sure what to make of it all. Watson, please stop being Fire Punch. Hi, Moggy. Is Fire Punch that one manga? Yeah, that was by the Chainsaw Man guy, right? Oh my god. Please. Help me.
再戦ワトソン vs ジャック
Oh hey, it's just like that book title. Wasn't there like a Sherlock Holmes versus book too? It just occurred to me that thing in the left corner is not an orb but a magnifying glass. Yeah, cause it is Britain and they all have magnifying glasses, you know. It's required by law that you have to carry around a magnifying glass and a pocket watch with you at all times. My arrival at the academy did nothing to ease my prevailing thoughts of Watson. Yeah, please. This dude. Yeah. A game, not a book. Oh, okay. So true. Yeah, you better not get those thoughts out of your head. If you do, you'll probably forget that he's your childhood friend again. It did nothing to clear my head of guilt. I yearned to offer an apology for my actions the previous day, but that useless need was not the only thing that brought him to mind. He looks like that when he does that pose, man. Fire Punch is great. It was deeply upsetting. I've only watched a video about it. I'll have to check it out sometime. I've been reading this one manga about like a magical girl that like she has like a shadow guy that like kills creatures. I forgot what the name was. Watson, stop beating around the bush. Just set it on fire. Fire Punch truly was an insane manga. A shadow guy. Elio. That's Sonic the Hedgehog. I'll message you a sort of half sort of content warning for Fire Punch. Oh, okay. It did nothing to clear my head of guilt. I yearned to offer an apology for my actions the previous day, but... Oh wait, I already read that. Yeah, you better say sorry. I wish to inquire about my childhood memories also.
ワトさん少しいいかしら
Watson, may I speak with you for a bit?
昨日は本当にごめん
I'm
なさい
truly sorry for everything that happened yesterday. I...
いやもう大丈夫だ
Don't
から
worry about it. It's all in the past now. I'm sorry too, Emily. Anyway, I've got something I need to tend to. Oh no. You bitch. You better talk with Emily. I'm gonna punch you all. I'm gonna smack and like throw you all into like a closet until you guys talk about all your things hanging you up.
ワトさん
Watson, wait, he's gone. Our break hour played out much the same, with Watson bursting out of the classroom to see whatever had his attention, completely bereft of all previous context. So this game is about solving the mystery of why Watson can't confess to the cute girl in his class? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, her parents got murdered, and there's like a murderer on the loose, but like, that's chump change. That's chump change. That's no mystery. No balls. That's the answer.
ワトさんどうしたのかしら
What could be the matter with him? It doesn't
Mother,
seem
look at
his
that.
arm is healed.
治っていない
And yet he's running around heedless of his injury. Right. Because Emily yesterday walked down an alleyway and she went head to head with Jack the Ripper, and then he had to stop the dude from going Wolverine on her ass with his hand claws.
それに
Not only that, it feels as though he's avoiding me. Oh god.
私のことを
Just talk to her, bro. Yeah, Jack the Ripper, who's also a potential love interest, by the way. Yeah, no balls. So no head? Was I reflecting on the situation too much? It was not uncommon for me to do so, and, as anyone did, I did this twice as much when guilt was involved. It could have been nothing. This business of his may well have been very real and very urgent. It could have been a tall tale to avoid me as well.
ワトさん私あなたに聞きたいことが
Oh, you better not run away, Watson. Watson, I have something I need to ask you.
ごめんよ俺急いでるから
Sorry, Emily. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Oh, Watson, you're going down on the tier list. Yeah, you better have a reason for this, Watson, other than I don't want to acknowledge the conversation we had. If that's the reason you are running away from this and not like you are trying to protect her from Jack the Ripper, then we're going to have some issues here, buddy. Before we could converse properly, he had already dashed off. Never once did he look me in the eye.
ワトさんやっぱり昨日のこと
This must be because of what happened yesterday. Incredibly funny. Also, no idea if Jack the Ripper and Sherlock Holmes overlapped. Were contemporary to each other. Well, they are in this game. That dark unease coursed through me vividly again.
おかしいわ
Why am I still so unnerved? It's not as though I'm at the scene of a crime.
不安で落ち着か
Her
ない
luck
のかし
better
ら
be on his deathbed.
事件現場にいるわけ
They
で
were contemporary to each other, I think. Yeah. Oh. Jack and Holmes fucked in real life. That's why they could never find Jack the Ripper, because Holmes erased all the evidence.
私はずっとワトさんに助けられて
Watson
きた
has aided me so many times.
いつ
So
も優しく
often
して
been
も
a
らって
help.
きた
He's always treated me with kindness and consideration.
今まで
Also, hold on. I need to
ずっとそれに気づかずに
quickly look up something.
当たり前だと思っていた
Because I know the roots are short. Let me see how many chapters are in Watson's route. Okay, we're still good. There are 14 chapters. We're on chapter 12, baby. Oh, this time I have taken it for granted, never noticing the warmth he had shown me. Damn, even back then the misogynistic gay men were a thing. Not that overlap, Moggy. Jack's gonna be lapping up something, alright? Wait, where is it? No, not that one. Where's that how queer one? Where'd I put that one? Not that. No. No. Did I get rid of the how queer image? Where's my how queer image? How could you? I'll just drop it back in again because I saved it. I saved it on my desktop. There we go. What the hell is this? This is a new pop-up. They changed the pop-up? Okay. Elio. Nani? Oh, I see. Instead, you have to use Scott the Woz as a Japanese child. Scott the Woz Kobayashi. All this time, I have taken it for granted, never noticing the warmth he had shown me. It was only when he was active in avoiding me that I learned something. I'd taken his presence for granted. Yeah, Kobayashi's my favorite. So this is why I possessed such guilt. Well said. I was a small and petty girl. I sighed in a vainful hope that the churning in my stomach will leave with it. It did nothing. Quite strongly did this ugly feeling wanted nothing more than to dispel linger. Several more days passed with no opportunity to speak with Watson.
ワトさん、
Bruh.
ひょっとしてまた一人でホームズの事件を
I
調べ
wonder
ているのかしら。
whether Watson is trying to investigate the case surrounding Holmes on his own. Kobayashi Scott the Woz-kun. Holmes had not returned to school. The unusual length of his absence had, of course, not gone unnoticed. The official statement given was that he had been called upon to assist his father with a case.
このままワトソン
Is
と
this how
話も
things
できない
are to be from now on?
ホーム
Will
ズ
I be
にも
unable to speak with
会えないま
Watson?
まなのかしら。
Or to ever see Holmes again? I felt my outlook grow drearier still as I considered that prospect.
あなた失敗したパイみたいにしぼんでいるけど
You have all the look
大丈夫？
about you of bread that has failed to rise. Are you alright? I'm better now that I got you, baby girl. Marvel saw me in the corridor and called out to me.
え
Yes,
え、なんで
I'm
もない
fine.
よ。大丈夫。
But could you make out with me to make me feel better? Thank you.
そんな顔で大丈夫なんて言っても説得力ないわよ。
Yeah, fuck Watson. Fuck Marple. Now. You look far too forlorn for me to seriously believe that. Yeah, kiss Marple. Did I truly look so depressed? Let me be gay with Marple,
あ
please.
なたが落ち込んでいるのはワトソンのせい。
Those are not mutually exclusive. Tenderly caress her hair. Yeah, she's got such pretty hair. Watson's the reason you're feeling down, isn't it? What?
あなたワトソンが教室を飛び出すたびに何か言いたげな顔をしてるんだもの。
She's so gay for Emily. She notices everything. Every time he hurries out of the classroom, you always look as though you have something on the tip of your tongue to tell him. What? Son. Yeah, that's his name. Compliment her eyes. Yeah, you've been observing me all right, huh, Marple? Later during this chapter, Watson, where are you? Come to my embrace, Emily. Emily, Watson! Earl King Watson, where are... I can hear your voice. Oh, please. Yeah, when you really think about it, The Wuthering Heights chapter was just an Otome game.
まったく一
I
体
haven't
何を
the
しているかは
faintest
知らない
what's
け
going
ど
on between the two of you.
あなたにこんな
But
顔を
I
させるの
can't
は
say I'm not the least
感心
bit
できないわね。
pleased with him, leaving you in such a fit of melancholy. Yeah, beat his ass, Marple. Beat his ass with hammers.
違うのワトソンは悪くないわ
The blame doesn't lie with Watson. That Marple is literally like, I would have never done this to you, Emily. Elio, do you think Square Enix would be mad if I rebranded to a Jack Garland VTuber? Why do you want to be a Jack Garland VTuber? It depends. It depends on how Jack Garland are you going to be. They probably won't care.
あなたもそう思うでしょルーピン
Come on, you're with me on this, right, Lupin? Square won't bring him back, so I have to.
え
What?
僕ですか
Lupin, who had by sole coincidence come with us and expected to keep silent, was so unprepared to be part of any topic that his spectacles nearly slipped off his nose when he whipped his head round.
事件で頭がいっぱいで女の子を放って
You
おくな
don't
ら
think it acceptable for a man to be so absorbed in the details of a case that he ignores a lady, do you?
それは
Yes,
ミス
that is
マープルの言う
precisely
通
my
りだと
stance as well, Miss
思います
Marple. Absolutely.
でもまた切り裂きジャックの事件が起
There
こ
are
っ
a
たり
number of disturbing,
怖い事件も
some
続
might
いて
even
ますよ
say
ね
alarming cases lately. To take the Jack the Ripper murders, for instance. I've been playing Wolong as if it were Stranger of Paradise 2. Wolong? To merely hear the name Jack the Ripper sent a chill through me. Fellas, what I missed so far. So Emily remembers the past with Watson, and she's trying to confront Watson about it, but he's a coward ass that keeps running away from her whenever classes end. Watson is a fucking coward, for real. Wolong is the Neo, like, after Stranger Paradise. Oh. It was so different to the chill others experienced. Indeed, they could exaggerate a shiver and be onto their next topic. But as for myself, I recalled him, his presence, his lack of face beneath his brim, his claws dripping with blood. The subject was now too close to me.
あなた本当に大丈夫
Okay, so she actually figured out it's Watson then. Thank God, yeah. But now we gotta get frustrated over something else, which is Watson not talking to her. Emily, are you really certain you're alright? I'll go with you to the nurse's office if you'd like.
僕何か余計なことを
Was it something I said?
大丈夫だから二人とも気にしないで
No, I really am fine. You needn't worry about me, you two. I took a deep breath in hopes to distance myself from that night.
今朝の新聞にも載っていた
It
わ
was in
ね
this morning's paper, wasn't it?
イーストエンドで
Another murder in the
また
East
殺人
End.
事件が起こったって
The victim, like others, had her throat cut open and her organs removed from her abdominal cavity.
私が見た彼があの新聞の切り裂きジャックだったの
Was the man I saw that evening
自分の
truly the
姿を
same
見た人も
as
狙って
the
いた
Jack
け
the
れど
Ripper from the papers? He appears to be targeting solely that man and any who saw him in the act. Oh, maybe our Jack isn't a prostitute killer. If I were to inform anyone that I had been attacked by Jack the Ripper, word might somehow reach him and see him stalk me. Maybe there's two Jacks. One of them drinks a little bit more respect woman juice than the other. It was for that reason that I had told only Pendleton and the Scotland Yard officers who came upon the scene what had transpired.
どういうことなのかしら たまたま狙いが女性ではなかっただけなのかしら。それとも
If he really was the infamous Jack the Ripper, why was he targeting a man when women have been the sole victim of the Ripper crimes? Was it just an anomaly? Or is there some piece I'm missing?
切り裂かれた皮膚、そして内臓を取り出した際の遺体の状態。
The incisions
人体を
and the
熟
manner
知し
in
てい
which
な
her
ければできな
organs
い
were
犯行で
removed
しょう。
are clear evidence that the killer, whoever he may be, is exceptionally familiar with human anatomy.
明智さん、
As though sensing a discussion about the murders, Akechi and Kobayashi had come upon our impromptu gathering. I'm voting on the huger woman hater Ripper being the dad. Yeah, probably.
犯人は人体を熟知した職業に就く人間なのかもしれませんね。
He hates women so much that he got impreg. To me, that implies that the killer may well be employed in a profession that necessitates great familiarity with the human body.
それって例えばなんだ？
Like a
医者
doctor,
とか。
perhaps?
それも有力でしょう。
A very reasonable possibility, yes.
でも
Still,
前に
There was a
犯人
rumor
は少
circulating
年だっ
some time
て
back that the
噂も
killer
流れていた
was
か
a
も。
young man.
じゃあ少
Then
年の医者
perhaps a young man who is
そんな
also
の
a
いるのか
doctor?
な？
Would that even be possible? I mean, we have Watson.
いるわけない
Of
でしょう。
course not. No young
医師
man
免
could
許
have
も持てない。
completed all the education and training required to obtain a medical license.
あら、免許を持ってい
Do
な
you
くても
think so?
助手だっ
Even
た
if
り
they
手伝
lacked
っ
a
たりしていたら
license, a teenager with the right
ある程度の医術に詳しく
resources
なれ
could
るんじゃ
still
ない？
feasibly attain a high degree of medical knowledge. Perhaps as an assistant to a doctor. Oh god, are they gonna start suspecting Watson as being Jack the Ripper?
例えば
Take Watson,
Watson
for
みたいに。
example.
ワトソン？
Had I heard correctly?
ああ、そういえばワトソンって医者の息子だったっけ？
Oh, I'd completely forgotten that Watson is the son of a doctor. Damn, Watson. Why'd you turn to crime?
ちょっと待って。
He got so upset that Emily forgot that he started killing people. Hold on a minute.
まさかみんな
You
Watson
can't
を疑っ
seriously
てる
be
わけ
casting
ないわ
doubt
よね。
on Watson, can you?
絶対
There's
に
no way he could be the
絶対に。
killer.
ありえない話だわ。
It's because he got attacked by him already. A young man with very big muscles, but an even bigger brain. I bet he was handsome too. Did I mention that his brain was huge already? Are we in a Lupin case? No. We're in a Jack the Ripper stuff. But yeah, hi there, Linux.
ミス・ホワイトリー。少し落ち着いた方が。
Miss Whiteley, I think you should calm down. Watson is too much of a himbo, though. True.
ワトソン
You
は
could
とっ
never
て
kill
も優しい人
anyone.
よ。
Watson is a kind and caring person.
困っている人がいたら助けずにいられない。自分が大変な目にあってでも
Never mind my joke then. I'll save it for a Lupin case. If he sees someone in pain or in need, he will do his utmost to aid them without fail, even if, in doing so, he puts himself in harm's way. It's just like he had helped me, like he had protected me again and again.
彼が犯人だなんてあり
It
えないわ。
simply isn't possible for him to be a murderer.
それぐらい知っているわよ。身近な例として名前を出しちゃったけど。
None of us are implying that he is Emily, except for me. I'm a big hater. Since we all know him, I was simply using him as an example of a young man with a high degree of medical training. Maybe Watson went ballistic after Emily rejected him?
ワトソンに限ってそんなのありえないよな。
True. There's no way Watson, of all people, could really be Jack the Ripper. No sooner had my anxiety sought rest from one issue done, had it been enkindled by another.
おい、知ってるか？あの探偵クラスの
Listen,
ホームズ
have
の
you heard the
噂。
rumors about Holmes from the detective class?
ああ、 殺人
Meaning
事
that
件の
he's
容
the
疑者になっちゃっ
suspect
た
in
っ
a
てや
murder
つだろ。
case, right? Oh god, we got hentai protagonists, students now. Their voices were coming from the courtyard.
でも父親の手
I
伝いで
heard the
授業
reason
に
he
出れない
hadn't
だ
been
けだって聞
attending
いたけど。
classes recently was just that he was helping his father with a case, though.
わかんないぞ。
Well,
あ
you
いつ
never
の父親
know.
って有
I
名な
mean,
探偵じゃないか。
his old man is a famous
多少のこ
detective.
とはヤードが
Scotland
多
Yard
めに
would
見てやっ
certainly
て
be
ると
more
か。
inclined to let things slide for him than for you or I.
そもそも
Our
あのクラ
class
スっ
is
て変
full
な
of
やつばっかじゃん。
eccentrics as it is.
事件の
All
捜査
they
だって
do is say
言
they're
って相談
working
も
on
で
a
きるみたいだ
case
し。
and the instructors will let them out of class early. Wish we had it that good. Slenderman? Wait, huh?
言いたい放題ね。
Well, they're certainly not sugarcoating their opinions, are they? She didn't even reject him. She's just a little slow, which, like, fair. I was feeling murderous when she was dense as fuck last stream.
まあ変わったやつが多いのはあながち間違いでもないけど。
I can't exactly deny that our class does have quite the number of eccentric people in it.
だとしてもクラスに対する陰口は感心できません。
Even so, I can't say that I think it proper to speak ill of an entire class behind their backs.
変なやつって
Oh.
もうですか。
Do you, think I'm counted among the eccentrics they're discussing? Are we a couple of besties?
何言ってるの？当然じゃない。
Do you even need to ask? The students, meanwhile, continued to discuss the detectives course.
確かホワイトリーだっけ。新聞に載ってた女王陛下の探偵。彼女も探偵クラスだろ。
You know that Emily Whiteley, the famous detective who ended up in the newspapers and was appointed by Her Majesty herself, is in that class, right?
ああ
Yeah, she's up
Well,
her crust
貴族
though.
のお
Do
嬢
you really
様
think she cares
本
about
気で
helping
困った
people?
人を助け
Probably
たい
just
な
a
んて
hobby
思っ
to
てんの
her.
か。
Something to pass the
それこそ
time.
貴族の道楽なんじゃねえの。
もしかして貴族
Then,
のコネを
do
使っ
you
て
think
女
she
王
just
陛下に
used her
取り入
family
った。
connections to cozy
とか。
up with the queen to get her
うわ
badge?
だっ
That'd be
たら
quite
性悪じゃん。
shameless.
そんな中身のないやつ
I'm
に
not
助
sure
け
how
られて
I'd
も
feel
な。
if I were to receive assistance from someone like
ていう
her.
か
That is,
助けられ
she'd
んのか？
even deign to help us. Jeez.
あの
Maybe she
しで
shouldn't
も
help you. Utter fools, the lot of them.
おいおいおい明智落ち着けって。
Easy, Akechi, easy. You do, Lupin, but that just means you're one of us, and we ride or die. Point at Jack and remark the die part.
教室へ行きましょう。あんな中身のない
Let's
話を
return
聞
to
い
the
ても仕方ないよ。
There's little point in standing here waiting for more nonsense to float past.
それがいいと思います。
Yes, I think that's a fine idea. Alright. It's not so easy for me to push what the boy said from my mind.
女王陛下の探偵なのに。
I'm supposed to be one of Her Majesty's detectives, and yet I find myself always relying on others, always shielded by them.
胸を張って。
With a question
探偵
put
と
to
して
me,
困っている
could
人
I
を助け
honestly
ている
stand up and say without doubt or
言えるの
hesitation
かしら。
that my truest and best prerogative is to be a detective who helps others? I inspected the ring on my finger. As I watched it shimmer to the light, a shout erupted from the courtyard.
うわ
It?
なんだよお前。
What do you want? Voices I'd overheard earlier and new ones melded into a single rhythm of panic.
おい
Hey. And soon, this was followed by a curt confrontation from someone I knew.
ワトソン？
You guys never even asked for help, so how would you guys even know? Oh, the model stopped. Whoops. I don't know why my camera's not working. Ba 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 ba. There we go. There's nothing wrong with getting help from others, but yeah, she do rely on getting saved by people too much. Yeah. She should really learn to look after herself a little bit better. When I observed the courtyard for the source, there was Watson boiling with anger, and he clenched one of the two men present by the collar, both of whom were equally as angered.
ホームズの腰巾着か。一体何の用だよ。
Oh, it's just Holmes' stooge. What do you want with us?
話せよ。たかが助手のくせに。相棒がいなきゃ何もできないくせによ。
Let go of me. You're just his assistant. You can't do anything without him.
ああ。俺のことなら何とでも言いなよ。
Go ahead. Say whatever you like about me. Don't let them know about peer reviews. They would go insane.
だけど、俺の大事な友達を、大切な人をバカにするのは絶対にやめてくれ。
I don't plan to stand here and listen to you insult someone dear to me. Are they, you know? Oh, hi there, Jelix! Welcome, welcome!
そうでなきゃ。俺は
If you don't
お前ら
plan
を
on
本気でぶっ
stopping,
飛ばさな
then
きゃい
I'll
け
have
な
to
くなる。
make you. Gay or European? British, I'm afraid so.
わかった。悪かったから話せって。
Alright, I'm sorry. Just let go of me. The two boys fled the courtyard.
ワトさん。
My first impulse was to take their place and tend to Watson. Yet, before I could take the first step, he too had left.
あんなに怒っているワトさんは初めて見るわね。
I never seen Watson that angry before.
俺てっきりあのまま殴っちゃうかと思った。
Wow, he's standing up for Holmes for real. I seriously thought he was gonna belt that chap right in the face.
そんなことワトさんはしないわ。
He's not that sort of person, though. You never know.
あなたの言う通り、ワトソン君は犯人にはなり得ませんね、ミス・ホワイトリー。
You're absolutely right, Miss Whiteley. He's not the sort of man who could possibly commit a crime. Are you saying that tongue in cheek?
ええ。
Thank you, Akechi. I know I was being avoided. Still, I made my attempt to speak with him with the expectation I would fail, only for my expectation to be absolutely correct. He had left the academy before I could make the attempt. I couldn't be held at arm's length forever, surely. Could I? No, surely not.
私どうしてもワトソンと話したい。
I'll speak with him, no matter what.
事件のことも夢のことも。
About
ワトソン
the case, about my memories of that instant. Whatever it takes, I have to talk with him. My desire was fueled into a resolution, enough for me to think it a small weight lifted off my chest. Well, listen, if he avoids you forever, just leave him, girl. He ain't worth it. The return home was short. I was in the door, making preparations to leave, and setting out at once for the Baker Street office.
お嬢様、
My lady,
そんなところ
what are
で
you
何をな
doing
さって
over
いるん
there?
ですか？
ペンデルトン。
どちらにお出か
Are
け
you
ですか？
planning on going out? The situation as it was, I felt it best to be honest in telling Pendleton where I'm going rather than lie. Finally! You should have been doing that for like forever ago, considering how often he's had to come and save your ass.
ベーカー街のホーム ムズとワトソンの事務所に行こうと思って。
I was planning on making my way to Holmes and Watson's office.
ワトソ
You're
ン君
worried
が心
about
配なんです
Watson,
ね
I take it.
え
Yes, I have been for several days
Simple.
now. He tried to remind her one time and gave up after that. Boo. For real though. Alright, I'll be sure to be around the corner holding a gun in my hand.
お嬢様
For inevitably,
以前の
when you
ワトソン君のお願い
attract
は
the attention of a
お忘れですか？
mass murderer again. My lady, have you forgotten the promise you made to him?
今後は決して一人で外を出歩かないでほしい。危険を避けるためにも。
I need you to promise me something, that you won't venture out alone anymore, to keep yourself out of danger.
思い出していただけたなら結構。本日は外出をお控えくださいませ。
I'm glad to see it hasn't slipped your memory. In that case, I hope I can expect you to remain inside this evening.
そうね。
I suppose you're right.
と本来なら申し上げるべきことですが。
Oh no, Pendleton, you were so close. Well, were the circumstances ordinary, that's what I'd say to you. However, these circumstances are by no other means ordinary.
今さっきまで私はお嬢様の送り迎えをする心づもりでした。
I think you should just lock her up, personally. Until a scant few moments ago, I had every intention of escorting you to and from your destination.
そうだったの？
Really?
しかし今はあ
Still,
まり気
I
が進
find
みません。
myself having second thoughts. Oh, whoops.
自分の娘を彼氏に取られた
This feeling is
父親のような
perhaps
気
not
分ですね。
unlike that of a father whose reigning place in his daughter's heart has been supplanted by an eager suitor. You really are her dad, aren't you?
娘って。
Father? Come now, Pendleton. You're not my
私はあなた
father.
の
I
娘
mean,
じゃないわ
he
よ。
pretty much is.
例え話ですよ、お
I
嬢
didn't
様。
mean it literally, my lady.
ワトソンは
Watson is an important friend
大
of
事
me.
なお友達よ。
Of mine, blah, blah, blah.
ですからお嬢様、これは例え話です。
As I said, my lady, my statement was figurative, not to be taken literally.
そのように恥じらいまじり
Still,
に否定され
with a
ると
denial garnished by that
逆に
degree of
怪しく聞こえ
embarrassment,
ますよ。
now I'm having second thoughts about even that. And so I set off for my destination. He was unhappy with the whole affair, as he had expressed plainly on multiple occasions, and would likely express more in the future. But Pendleton still escorted me by carriage. He is definitely just gonna be hiding around the corner the entire time with a Glock in his hand, for real. He was very firm in his insistence that he would personally come to pick me up when it was time to return home. The door upon arrival was locked. No one appeared to be inside.
ひょっとしたらまだ帰ってきていないだけで、ここで待っていれば会えるんじゃ。
Perhaps he simply hasn't come home yet. If I wait here, I may still be able to speak with him.
だけど
Up until now, I've been
今まで
able to
あんなに
see
ずっ
and
と一緒
speak
にい
with
たの
him
に、
whenever I wish to.
どう
Why
して
is
会い
it
たい
that
時に会え
now
ない
I
の？
can't?
一体
Just where has he
どこで
been?
何をしているのかし
What
ら。
is he doing?
ワトソン、どうしたの？
Oh, what is it, Emily? As if in response, Hudson called out from behind. Pendleton is being very generous. I would have just said no. For real?
どうしたの？そんなところに立っていた
After
ら
that
体
first
が冷えち
murder
ゃうわよ。
attempt, I would not allow her to go outside anywhere without her being strapped to me with like a child harness. What are you doing just standing there? You'll catch your death of cold if you just loiter around out here.
ごきげんよう、ハドソン。ワトソンが忘れ物をしたから届けに来たの。
Hello, Hudson. Well, Hudson forgot something at school, so I've come to bring it to him personally.
まだ戻っていないみたいだけれど。
But there doesn't appear to be anyone back home yet. Also, I didn't get why she doesn't just talk to Hudson to wait inside.
そうだったのね。 ワトソンったら仕方ないわね。
Really? Honestly, that man really is useless.
でもホームズが留守になってからワトソンなんだか元気がないの。
Still, ever since Holmes stopped coming home, Watson just hasn't been the same.
なんだか物足りないわ。静かすぎて。ホームズも早く帰ってこないかしら。
It feels like there's something missing here now. Like, it's just too quiet without their back and forth. I do hope Holmes can come home soon. Yes, so do I.
あなたもなんだか元気がないわね。
You seem a little down yourself, though. Your lips puffed out in concern.
どうしたの？私はあなたの助手なんだから。なんでも言ってちょうだい。
What's the matter? I'm your assistant, you know. Whatever's on your mind, you can tell me.
ありがとう、ハドソン。でも私は大丈夫よ。
Thank you, Hudson. But I'm fine. Really, I am.
そんなの嘘よ。だってさっきワトソンの名前をつぶやいてた時すごく悲しそうな顔してたもの。
You and me both know that just isn't true. You look so forlorn as you called out Watson's name under your breath just a minute ago. Oh no, you heard that? Like, why does she gotta run off every time she tries to visit? Just wait inside. Yeah, just like you'll see him eventually if you just camp right in front of his house, right?
ハドソン、あなた見てたの？
Wait, Hudson, you saw that?
もちろん。これも
If he's
探
not
偵に
gonna
必要
talk
な
to you,
観
you
察で
force
しょ。
him to talk to you. Of course I did. Keen observation is very important for a detective, as you know. Next to Puff was her chest, this time in pride.
もしかしてワトソンと喧嘩でもしちゃったの？
God, I read that so
それで
bad.
仲直りしたい。
Next to Puff, bleh. Have the two of you had a fight, and then you came here because you wanted to make up with him?
仲直り。
Make up with him?
そうね。
I suppose you're right.
ハドソ
Well,
ンの言う
at
通
least
りか
the
も
make
しれないわ。
part. I'd rather out than up.
だったら大丈夫よ。ワトソン、あ
I'm
なた
sure
に
it'll be
特
a
別に
simple
優
matter
しいじゃない。
then. After all,
すぐに仲
he's
直
always
り
had
で
a
きるわ。
soft spot for you. I'm sure smoothing things over with him will be a simple enough matter. Hudson,
ハドソ
I
ン、
think Watson is just
Watson
kind
は
to everyone.
みんなに優しいと思うんだけど。
Emily! Girl, he is biased. Yeah, sure Watson is kind to everyone, but he is doubly so biased with you, Emily. Oh my god.
それはちょっと違う
Well,
わ。
that's true. But
Watson
he's
みんなの
especially
教え
kind
てるの
towards you.
そしてあなたにはとびっきり優しいの。多分なんだけどあなたが初恋の子に似てるとか淡い思い出があるんじゃないかしら。
The impression I get is that the way he acts around you is like you remind him of his first love or some such. Emily. Man, sometimes I just want to take these Otome game heroines and just shake them. Be like, how do you not notice that he likes you, you idiot?
あのワトソンのことだからきっとそういう単純なことに違いないわ。
This is Watson we're talking about here, so I'd imagine it's something uncomplicated like that.
初恋の
His first love? I found myself recalling the story he had told me once before, and how gentle his expression had become when he spoke of that girl from his memories. That's totally definitely not me, because I definitely don't have a memory that's extremely similar to the story he told me or not. Story must still care deeply for her even now.
この件に
This
つい
woman
て
could
は
not catch a
今
cold,
度
much
本人
less a
にじっ
hint.
くり
For
取り
real.
調べしようと思ってるわ。
Idiots can't catch colds. I think I shall give him a good interrogation about all of this the next time I see him. And we expect her to catch criminals?
お手柔らかにね。ハドソン、
Gentle with him, Hudson.
私が初恋の子
Perhaps
に似
she's
てるか
right. What if the source of his kindness is simply some resemblance to the first girl he loved? beat you up. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Goodbye, How Clear. Don't make me bring this out. Points at the sign. I felt an emptiness in the pit of my stomach as the thought passed through my mind. Look, Watson was avoiding her. It's on him, not her. It's on both of them. It's both of their faults. I'm making fun of both of them.
ねえ、時間があるなら私とお茶でもしない？あなたなら大歓迎よ。
Say, would you care to join me for some tea? If you have the time, of course, I'd be happy to treat you. Now, if someone is avoiding me, I'm not going to think they like me. I mean, I guess that is true. I'll think the exact opposite. Yeah.
ありがとう、アナさん。
Thank you, Hudson.
もちろん
I'd love
構わ
to.
ないわ。
Pushing back against the feelings that welled up within me, I consented with a smile and a nod. Outside the Academy's dormitory.
いつでもどうぞ。
I'm ready when you are.
あ、
Alright.
よろしく。
Whoops. Akechi and I stood directly facing one another. He had his katana drawn and at the ready. I had taken an offensive stance, fists clenched tightly. We were focused and alert, keenly gauging our distance and the options we might utilize to close it. Plays and counterplays. Then it had begun. Eh? Is he like teaching Watson how to fight or something? I made the first move, signaling the beginning of our bout. Ooh, what is this music? It's the day after my fateful encounter with Jack the Ripper. Akechi had been kind enough to join me in my training. Ooh. Damn, he's fighting a dude with a sword? It had seemed clear to me that, as things stood, I wouldn't be able to best the Ripper in a fight. And if I couldn't do that, Emily would surely be in grave danger. It sounds like something out of, like, Professor Layton. I guess Layton is British too, right? I pondered how I might become strong enough to win against so notorious an adversary. The first man who came to mind was none other than Akechi. Elio, you singing String Theocracy on that one karaoke stream made me sing it in the damn shower. Sorry about that, Misha. Did you have fun? Oh, no, Layton is fully Brit. Oh, okay. I thought so, but I wasn't sure. Initially, he refused to aid me, saying that he didn't believe in taking on students. Oh. Let me see what was the thing I put down for... Oh, here we go. Got punish chat. Give me one moment to load my bat. Alright, chat. Time for me to beat you up. No, you gotta get ready for a fight against Jack the Ripper, everyone. How else are you gonna be able to fight Jack the Ripper if you can't sustain my hits from my bat? Why do I prefer the bat? I guess you like blunt damage more than slash damage. What? If I ever get another model, that one will have a gun, so we'll have the full spectrum. SMH, that could be true. But after my incessant pleas bordering on desperation, he eventually came around, concluding that assisting me would be, for him, a form of training in and of itself. Bonnie, why you so kawaii desu? It's just in my tea. Thunder dude. Hello. Hello. Hope you're doing well. First bout was nothing short of a disaster. I couldn't read his movements, keep up with him, or work out how I might counter his attacks. Did he just bring a katana to London? Yep. Do you think this would be against the law in Britain at this time? Bro, they have no polishing powder here. But I wouldn't be so easily deterred. I continued to persevere, and thanks to his instruction, it began to become easier to keep up with him. And so the practical instruction continued. That shit is gonna crumble. Well, maybe he brought his own polishing powder with him too. I like this music though. I had only been able to spar with him a limited number of times. I'd occasionally been able to read his movements, enough to land a blow against him here and there.
ワトソン君は飲み込みが早いですね。
You're quite the keen learner, Watson. You really think so?
はい。あなたは見たままを素直に真似するのが得意のようです。
I do. You seem to learn quickly simply by watching others and imitating their actions. Katanas are guns for the people who haven't invented guns yet. True. I don't think they invented guns at this time, right? Oh wait, no. No, there was someone with a gun. Yeah, there was someone with a gun earlier in this game. I may be onto something. I learned what I know of surgical procedure through watching my father, and picked up the piano watching my mom. Though, having said that, I still recall thinking, there's no way I can imitate that. And my father had tried to teach me how to shoot a gun.
ワトソン君は体力も腕力もあります。ですが、まともにぶつかる
Pretty
だけ
sure
で
they
は
had guns around this
自分
time?
の体力を
Yeah.
いたずらに
Do you
消
know
耗
what
するだけ
katana
です。
means? Huh. What does it mean?
重要なの
Oh,
は
whoops, I didn't read that.
相手の動き、武器の軌道を
Blah,
読
blah,
み
blah, blah, blah.
ギリギリまで粘ることそして
You also possess both stamina and physical strength in abundance, though relying completely on strength to simply better your way through the conflict will only serve to quickly fatigue you. Oh, bad and what? The key to overcoming one's opponent in battle is to read his movement and the trajectory of his weapon, formulate potential counters, and wait until the last moment. Japanese sword? Wait, really? That's what it means? I hate that the only reason that I know guns were a thing around this time period was Jet Jenkins from Way of the Samurai 4. Can Emily get a training arc instead? Yeah, I think Emily needs to learn how to do self-defense more than Watson. She gets into way too much situations.
いかに相手の力を利用して自分の優位へと持っていくかなんだろう
You need to think how best to use their own strength and momentum to your advantage to emerge victorious, right? Emily can just get a gun.
冷静に相手を
Her gun
観
is
察すること
Pendleton.
は武道にも共通する力ですよ
Precisely. The ability to calmly observe one's opponent is a useful skill, but more than just detective work. Akechi nodded, returning his sword to its sheath. Bleh.
ありがとな明智
Have you watched
無理っ
Drifters?
て
I don't think I
俺の
have.
相手をしても
No.
らって
Thanks, Akechi. I really do appreciate you going out of your way to help me like this.
いえ
In all
あなたの
seriousness,
相手をして
katana means one-sided
僕も勉強になりま
sword.
した
Oh!
人に教えるこれも
You won't
鍛
try
錬で
to
す
fist fight an armed murderer. No. Watson will win. Watson will win, even if he fights a guy with a gun. Trust. Think nothing of it. Serving as your opponent has been educational for me as well. Instructing others is a sure way of teaching oneself.
普段の授業態度もこれくらい真面目ならいいのですが
I only wish you showed this measure of devotion in your classwork. Oh, it's Helsing. It's Helsing, but in Japan with some cowboys, Romans, and Hannibal. Oh, that's one hell of a combo.
ごめん
Sorry. Watson in his famous
その
last
言葉
words. What are you gonna do?
向ける相
Stab
手が
me?
違うのでは
I don't think I'm the one you ought to be apologizing to.
え
ワトソン君、
This may be none of my business,
これは余
Watson.
計な世話
And
か
if
も
you
しれ
feel
ませ
my
ん。
observation intrusive, I understand. There's no blame in Akechi's voice as he related his observations in an entirely matter-of-fact manner.
相手のことをしっかり観
Martial
察しなく
arts
てはならないの
investigation
は
are hardly the only
武道や
things that
推理に
benefit
限っ
from
た
the
ことではありません。
ability to calmly observe others. You're down bad for Emily. You're an absolute simp.
それって
You're fucking up big time, bucko. What are you implying exactly?
も
When's
し
Marple's jujitsu
ワ
art?
トソン君が何かを守りたくて
If
鍛
George
錬
can
を
do
してい
it,
たの
Marple can do it.
ホームズ君に頼らずに自分の力で何とかしたいと思
If
ってい
you
るこ
undertook
とが
this
ある
training
の
in the
は
hopes of safeguarding something or someone, if you are bound and determined to succeed on your own strength without relying on Holmes,
これ以上
then
彼女を
my
避ける
advice
よ
to
う
you
な真似
would be
は
to stop
しない
avoiding
方が
her.
いいでしょう。
You're so right, Akechi. Say it again. Akechi had never before pressed me for the reason behind my sudden interest in training. Yet, it was clear now that he fully understood exactly why I wished to empower myself, and for whose sake. I thought that, as I was,
今のまま
being
じゃ
by her side could
あの子
only
のそばにい
endanger
られな
her.
いと思ったんだ。
There's a big titty anime girl. That's the character, big titty anime girl. Is that her name? You should watch Drifters. It's good. Maybe I'll watch a good anime after I finish Charlotte, which I am very much not enjoying. I don't like the tonal shift Charlotte went with.
守りたくても守れない。助けたくても助けられ
I
ない。
was too weak to defend her, too frail to help her, even if that's what I wanted more than anything. Watson, Emily endangers herself. You're fine.
震えてる彼女を
Even when she was
安心
shaking
さ
with
せること
fear,
も
I couldn't console or reassure her. After our encounter with Jack the Ripper ended with his sudden departure, I could see her frame shake and shiver as she wrapped my injured hand. She looked as though, at any moment, she might burst into tears. I neither wanted to see her in that state ever again, or be the cause of it.
そんなに大切な人
She is truly that
Not this
important to you? If you don't like it, just drop it. I'm already very far in though.
ああそうだよ。
Yes, she is. It has the sword versus gun part. Oh, really?
子供の頃から
She has been. Ever since we were children. Emily, are you standing there? Of course not. But hey, you're in this room with a gun. You should grab that, Emily. Even as the sun dipped low in the sky and the streets around us darkened, Watson had yet to return home.
そろそろペンデルトンが迎えに来る時間だわ。ハドソン、
Man, I hate
Oishii
this
ocha
sad
arigatou.
man need more power for the woman arc, right? Let Emily have a Glock too. Pendleton will no doubt be here to collect me soon. Thank you very much for the tea, Hudson.
お茶に付き合ってくれてありがと
Who would win? A
う。
man-sized
夜
gun
道は
with
危ない
a
から
sword
気をつけ
or
て
a
帰ってね。
man-sized sword with a gun? Well, that gun should shoot a pretty big bullet. You're most welcome. Thank you for joining me, Emily. The streets can be dangerous at night, so do take care on your way back.
大丈夫よ。
As of Tuesday,
Matane.
the 3rd of
Hado-san.
December of the year 2024, I lack a Misha gamer tip. Well, here you go, Misha. Here's a gamer tip for you. You should get a tip. Here's my tip. There you go. There's your Misha gamer tip. A gamer tip for Misha. I'll be fine. Take care, Hudson. I stepped out of the apartment, watching as Hudson waved to me from the doorway. I take offense from that. Incineroar. Incineroar would win. Incineroar wins against anything. By the time I finally stepped out onto the street, twilight had settled over the city.
ちょっと早く出過ぎたかしら。
I wonder if I came a little
ペ
too
ンデルトン
early.
と
I hope I don't
行き違いに
leave
なっ
and
ていなければいい
miss him only
けれど。
by a quarter hour. My gamer tip is every game should have a parry function, even the Tomei games. Emily should be able to parry. I agree. She should have been able to parry Jack the Ripper. Like that one anime. I parry everything. A cold wind whipped through the cobblestone street, threatening to drain away the warmth I had imbibed from Hudson's tea.
寒いわ。
Such a chill
ワトソン
out
も今
tonight.
頃
I wonder if Watson is
Kiっと
caught
寒い
out
思
in
いを
this
している
cold
の
as
かしら。
well.
次こそは
Next time, I swear,
きちんと
I'm
お
going
話
to
ししたい
talk
わ
with him. Whatever it takes. Staying mindful of passing carriages, I began walking along Baker Street, the ubiquitous London fog now descending on the city. Oh! Chat! What do you think's gonna happen? Do you think she's gonna be able to safely get home, or do you think she's gonna get ambushed by fucking Jack the Ripper?
前にここを歩いた時は
When I last passed this way on
ワト
foot,
ソンが一緒だったの
Watson
よね
was here beside me. If I were to drown one day, I would not. I would just parry the drowning damage. I thought back to that time he had escorted me back to the mansion, and felt a longing to enjoy his company again.
ワトソン一人で危ない目に遭っていないか
Things
しら
that improve games. Air dashes, parries, and that's why Atlas rules.
していないかしら
Emily, for fuck's sake, just go home. just call Pendleton, please. What if he had pushed himself too hard and is now experiencing the effects of that? Oh dear. I hope he's not come to any harm. I am gonna say, Lennox, when we play in Atlas again, you wait in line. You wait in line. I wanna play Pokemon with Moggy, and all the nights that I thought of messaging Moggy was when Moggy was streaming. So you wait in line. You wait in line right now.
もしこのままずっとワトソン
If
と
this
話がで
continues
きな
as
か
it
っ
had
たら
been, and I never get the chance to have a proper conversation with him again, I know I'll regret it. I get to play with her next, okay? Why didn't Pendleton just have the carriage wait outside? I'm gonna have an aneurysm. He has too much faith in her despite how he insists otherwise. Chat room, hit him with your face, thanks. No. Gonna hit you. Can I play Pokemon with you guys too? Of course. I wanna play Pokemon Unite. Boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, like last night I was watching Moggy playing Elden Ring, and I was like, I'm gonna wait for Moggy to finish, and then I'll ask to play Pokemon with her, and then I wound up falling asleep. Anyway, I don't care about the furry gooner accusations. I can make my body shape in Atlas, and that makes me feel so fucking happy. You have no idea. Yeah, and like, as long as you enjoy the game, that's all that really matters, right? If this continues as it had been, and I never get the chance to have a proper conversation with him again, I know I'll regret it. Wish I could be taller. I wish I was a baller. Though I had walked up and down Baker Street countless times, I found my pace slower than usual, wading through a quagmire of doubts. At last, I passed by a dimly lit alleyway when suddenly a voice from the fog-shrouded darkness startled me. Uh-oh.
見つけた
Found you. I knew it. I knew it was Jack the Ripper. This girl never gets to walk down a single place without running into a mass murderer. I had neither the time nor presence of mind to scream. Without warning, I was ensnared and drawn into the back alley. We can play Unite later today. There's an event that gets you free evolutions. Yee, let's go! Wow, I wonder if Watson is gonna show up later. Watch, I got the bad ending and Emily just gets murdered.
誰
Who is it? Sorry.
やらなきゃこっちがやられるんだ。
If I don't kill you, it's me who's gonna get it.
この声まさか
I know this voice. The wind blowing in from the main street thinned the fog just enough to allow me a view of my captor. The moment I saw the silvery glint of the claws upon his hand, my blood ran cold. The sight of the same razor claws that had pierced Watson's arm, and the faint smell of blood in the air transfixed me to the spot.
切り裂きジャック
You're Jack the Ripper! Did you realize that he's Jack Miller from your class, by the way, Emily? I mean, you did recognize his voice, right? You would recognize your own classmate's voice, right? Pendleton shielded her from the outside world too much. Going outside at night is like #1 thing you shouldn't do as a woman. For real, she should have called Pendleton while she was at Watson's place. What the fuck? Emily!
逃げなきゃ
I need to get away! If you get the bad ending, I hope the game over has Watson looking like a dumbass. I struggled desperately to break free of his grip, but he simply dug his claws that much deeper into my arm.
最初にお前、次はあの負け犬だ。
First you, then that fool. Emily, please, I'm begging you. My mind had gone completely blank with fear. My body was shaking, and my ability to speak had left me. His civ name should have been Jack Murderkill, Jack Knife, Jack the Ripper, that has been bitten by a J-pop singer, Jeff the Killer. I can't break free, but I have to get away somehow. I must.
いけないのに
痛みなんて感じない。お前は特別綺麗に殺してやるよ。
You won't feel no pain. I shall make your death a graceful one. You say that even though your claws are already in her arm. Okay, Jack, you already failed that. What should I do? Is my life to end here?
殺されてしまうの
I'm gonna Jeff the kill you.
このまま
Before I
仲
even
直りも
have a chance to make amends with him?
さよなら。
Goodbye! Jack the Ripper raised up his hand, swinging in with great force. Stray rays of moonlight glinted off his claws, throwing their momentary gleam over my face. The sun had set beneath the skyline of Baker Street.
確かに明智の
Ketchy
言う
is
通り
probably right.
だよな。
Instead of Jack the Ripper, they should call him Jack Black because his soul is black, or Steve. Steve the
Oh, yeah.
Killer?
自
Steve
分
the
のことに
Ripper?
夢中でちゃんと彼女の話を聞こうとしなかった。
All along, I've been so focused on my own deficiencies that I've been deaf to what she's been trying to say. After parting with Akechi, I had begun to make my way back, but each step was slow and plodding as I mulled over the state of things. Steve Minecraft. Have you guys seen that new Minecraft movie trailer, by the way? Oh my god. Damn it all. Why am I such an idiot? So many little parallels. They both refuse to speak to each other. Watson doesn't believe he's good enough for Emily and thus keeps his distance. Emily is sheltered. Both would probably die for each other, and everyone is British. This is just the school mirror world we saw flash by in Kanto 6. For real, that's what I keep saying. Kanto 6 is just an Otome game.
今すぐにでも彼女のところに行って。
He's gonna wind up seeing her get killed by Jack the Ripper, and then he's gonna go into the mirror worlds and kill every Watson. I wish I could just go and see her straight away. Then I'd Huh? What's this? Is there an Atome you can date the Flatwoods monster or Chupacabra? I know that there's an Amare game where you can date Mothman. Hold on. I wonder if that game... Yeah, Cryptid Crew. Or is it Cryptid Crush? Let me see. Let me see. 5 monster singles. Yeah, you can date Mothman. You can date the Loch Ness monster. You can date... I don't know who that is. Is that Slender? I don't know. I don't know what these ones are. But yeah, you can date Mothman in that one at least. I feel like there's another like cryptid dating sim game. Oh yeah, Cryptid Coffee House. That was another one. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, this one also has Mothman as dateable, a snake person, a goat person. Oh my god, they have white hair too. Kind of reminds me of Obless Oblige. A demon. Yeah, there you go. You might not be able to date the Flatwoods monster, Chupacabra, but you can date Mothman. Is Flatwoods in there? I love their shape. I love Mothman, but Flatwoods is such a cutie. I feel like I was recently watching a video on Flatwood monsters, by the way. That's so funny. But no, I don't think there's a Flatwoods Atome game. But yeah, there is... Hold on. I'm gonna send you a picture of the Mothman from the game. Wait. Okay, no, that's not... Let me grab it. It's not that one. It's this one. Yeah, let me send you this. Let me send you Mothman. I'm pretty sure Hazel has a Flatwoods monster video and how it turns up on Japanese games a lot, but not SMT. Weird. I'm sure there was an SCP game about it, but Moggy wants to date the Flatwoods monster, not manage it. Also, Emily also gets into a lot of trouble, which leads to possible encounters with possible love interests. True. I think there might be an NTR route in this game. As I look down, I notice something lying on the ground where the street led into an alleyway. Why do I like you so much? I don't know. Why do you like me so much? It must be because I'm so cute and adorable and innocent and never did anything wrong ever in my life, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I want to kiss monsters. I harbored few doubts that I had seen this very handkerchief before. Mothman might scream at me and tell me he's gonna drain me of my blood. That'd be okay. I think this Mothman is super cute. I'd let him drain me. It appeared to be the very same as Emily had with her mere days ago. Hey, yes, her surname embroidered on it. With that, there can be no doubt. But what is it doing lying here? We love communication in a relationship. Yeah, please talk. Could she have come to visit our office? No! It couldn't be. I can never mistake the sound of Emily's voice. Damn, please, let me not be too late. Man, SMT 5 Vengeance Mothman has the funniest dialogue. Oh? I dashed with all haste into the alley, towards the sound of her voice, as fast as my legs would carry me. Say the same thing again, but the opposite? What? Am I not cute? Choose your words very carefully, Thunder Dude. Jack the Ripper's blade-like claws hovered over me, the momentary pause before the strike of the serpent. In these final moments, I closed my eyes, awaiting the blossom of pain that would tear me from this world.
Sete!
Get down, Emily! You're super cool and rugged. That is true. That is true. You would be correct. Instead of a stabbing pain, the next sensation was that of a familiar voice alighting on my ears. IDK, maybe with a nose. I have a nose! Look! I have a nose! It's right here! You can't see it? A lot of stuff about how he is the fucking Mothman and how powerful he is and how he's gonna drink your blood or kill people, but he's so over the top and it changes as the game progresses and you earn his respect, kinda. Oh, really? Ooh, that sounds cool. He's cute and handsome. True! You're not cute, you're handsome. That's a lot. Yeah, I'm so much. I'm multi-purpose. Instead of a stabbing pain, the next sensation was that of a familiar voice alighting on my ears. Yeah, a little button nose. He has a nose. He wasn't drawn by Akihiko Yoshida. That's a dot. Yeah, it's a button nose. A voice far more filled with warmth and goodness than the icy words of Jack the Ripper.
大丈夫か?
Emily, are you alright? Here's a nose bun. I don't want it. Take it away. I don't want it. You. Sound of a dull thud reached my ears, and Jack the Ripper released his hold on me. I stumbled backwards but did not fall, instead being caught up in a strong pair of arms. Timidly, hesitantly, I opened my eyes. I looked up and into the face of my rescuer. Oh my god, it's the rescue mouse!
怪我はあいつに何もされてないか?
Are you hurt? He didn't do anything to you, did he? All this time, I had lamented his distance, that he felt so far away. Now, here he stood, holding me in his arms. I'm alright. No injuries. Wait, hold on, what is this? Oh. Yeah, I just got a comment on YouTube. Emily lamented? Is it me or is the clown fro look different today? It's probably because I haven't used this model in a while. Oh no. Anyway. Look, you mean no injuries? Jack had all the time in the world to get a hit in. The relief flashed over me. The anxiety of mortal danger still shook my body. You got what comment? It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Damn it. I can't seem to do anything right. His anguished words lingered in the air.
殺されに来たのか負け
I'll say, did you come to save me from milking a... Oh, what? I can't say... I'll say, did you come to save me from making a fox out of this? What the fuck are you saying? Did you come to save me from making a fox? Is he calling? Is aunt supposed to be the word with a C in front of it? Did he just call Emily? Bruh. The afro feels more natural today? Oh, really? Elio. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I thought he was calling Emily a cunt. Oh, thank you for the head pats. I can't really see it right now, though. Oh wait, no, you can. You can see it. Why fox, though? I think he's saying, like, make her, like she's, like, into fur or something. Like, skin her. I forgot Americans make a big deal about cunt.
そんなわけないだろ
Like hell I did. Yeah, it tends to not be used very well in my area, at least. He gently released me and strode to stand before me, shielding me behind him. Let's be honest, him saying that would not be the worst Jack the Ripper did to a woman. True. True. He doesn't just kill women, he murders them.
お前を殴り飛ばしたくてたまらない自分をぶっ飛ばしたいのと同じくらいに
I'm gonna beat you down so completely they'll still speak of it 100 years on. And while I'm at it, perhaps smack myself for being such a fool. Thank you, Watson.
ボロ
Thank you
負
for
けしたの
admitting
が
that.
悔しかったのか
You remember how pitiful our last bout was. It eats at you, I can see it. Cunt is sometimes used as a term of endearment here. I see. Yeah, it tends to not be very good. At least in my area.
それもあるさ
Can't deny that,
許せないのは
There's something far more unforgivable.
お前が
Not let you get off without trying to hurt her
傷つけよう
again.
としたってことだ
Oh, wait, with trying. Bleh. Watson stared down the infamous criminal with a gaze more piercing and angry than I had ever seen him show before. Oh, it can be bad here too. It's half and half.
許そうが許すまいが
That don't mean a damn thing to me.
お前は
Just or you up and
さ
die.
っさと死ね
Stay back, Emily! Watson and the Ripper both made their move.
ボロ負けした犬は
Once a
何度や
fool,
ったって
always a
負け犬
fool.
のままなんだ
You
よ
can't change it no matter what you do. Jack swung his clawed hand towards Watson. I sharply drew in a breath and held it, clenching my teeth.
そういく
Not
か
a
よ
chance! With all languages, a word's meaning depends on the intent behind it. Yeah.
何
Watson deftly evaded Jack's attack, catching his arm and twisting it upwards in the same motion. Emily, go for the cops. It happened so quickly that it was all I could do to follow their most overt actions.
へ
Well, well,
えなんだ
I see you
少しは
got a
マ
bit
シにな
more
ったんじゃ
savvy
ね
in you now.
当たり前だ何
Of
もな
course.
して来るわけない
You
だろ
think I'd come looking for a rematch otherwise? Watson applied more pressure, twisting Jack's arm further. It's like how Mother F can either be used endearingly or mean. Yeah.
俺は平凡だけどそれでも
It's true that I may be just an average man,
今なら
This average man can tell right where
お
you're
前が
aiming.
どこを狙ってきてるのか。
Watson hammered his clenched fist straight into Jack's chest.
俺にできることなんてたかが知れてるよ。
There's only so much an ordinary bloke like me can do. Oh, let's go! Square up!
だからこそ俺は絶対に忘れない。明智に教わったことも俺が譲れないものも。
That's why I'm never going to forget what Akechi taught me, or what I have to do.
俺は全力でお前を倒す。
I'll take you down with everything I've got, and keep Emily safe. Emily, after everything is over, man, Pendleton's gonna be so mad at me, right? How's she gonna explain this to Pendleton? She did get scratched up by Jack. He like grabbed her arm with his claws. How's she gonna explain that? That is such a good CG of Watson. Yeah, this is one of my favorite CGs so far. Ooh. Watson brought up his fists, slightly crouching into a defensive stance. Oh, he's kicking. Let's go. Oh, he looks scared. His focus on Jack the Ripper did not waver, even for a moment. Strike me down.
だと
Watson ascends to his true power. Frotson.
せめぎずらしてんじゃね
Don't
え
try and be an hero, you artless idiot.
な
The killer slowly rose to his feet, striding silently towards Watson.
そこか。
There! Seeming to calculate exactly where Jack the Ripper was about to strike, Watson once again evaded the fatal blow.
探偵が正義面するのは当然だろう。
Playing the hero is what detectives do. Taking advantage of his extreme momentum, he led into a powerful roundhouse kick, of which Jack bore the full brunt. Suddenly, a metallic clinking jingled through the alley.
切り裂きジャックの爪が
That's his claw! Individual segments of the claw-like apparatus bounced along the ground before coming to rest. Jack the Ripper leapt back from Watson, clutching one of his hands.
この
Damn you!
これでもう俺を殺せない。
I'll have a far harder time killing me now,
ふざけるな
little bastard. Jack's shoulders quaked and shivered as he spoke.
俺から殺しを取っ
You
た
can't take killing from me.
一体何
What
が
would I have you
残ってるんだ
It was the first time I had seen anything resembling hesitation, perhaps even confusion from him.
俺は
I do what I'm
命令
told,
を遂行する
obey the orders they give.
裏切り
I
者
kill
は
traitors to the organization. God, I suck at his voice.
そのために生きてきた
It's what I was born to do. It's the only reason I live. Jack the Ripper swung his other clawed hand at Watson. Correctly predicting the arc of the Ripper's attack, Watson evaded it at the last moment. Without delay, he immediately grabbed the killer tightly by the arm and, in a deft redirection of his momentum, sent Jack hurtling into a nearby wall. For shit's sake! Psych! Oh my god, not a fucking shadow organization. Yeah, what was it called again? I forgot what the organization was called. Shaking, Jack the Ripper rose unsteadily to his face. Something about magicians or something. Sorcery? I don't know. The force of bracing his collision with the wall had broken the tips off the claws on his other hand, leaving them blunted.
しっかり
One must calmly observe his opponent. Watson slowly relaxed his stance, still on guard for any sudden movement.
おい
Hey, Jack,
切り裂きジャック
that's who you are. Were all of the
今までの
Ripper
切り
murder
裂き事件
were all of the Ripper murders in the
全部
paper
お前の仕業
really
な
your
のか
work? He spoke calmly and pointedly.
俺たちが見
The
た
murder we witnessed you committing
今ま
and
で
the
殺
ones
さ
in
れて
the
きた女
news.
性たち
They've got superficial similarities, sure.
手口はよく似てい
Those
る
claws you wear couldn't have made the kinds of
お前の
wounds
爪
found
じゃ
on those
女
women's
性たちに
bodies.
ついてた裂傷は作れない
そんなこと言って
And your point, you get
一体
to
何
it.
になるって言うんだどうせ俺
I
は
ain't nothing more than a pawn,
使えなくなる
utterly disposable.
捨てられ
Should I lose my purpose? It's beneath the ground as a corpse that'll suit me next.
ああ、お前の言う通りだ。
Yes, that's exactly right.
よくわかっているじゃないか。
I'm glad you understand. A sinister, unfamiliar voice resounded through the dingy corridor of the alleyway. Suddenly, the face of the man we knew only as Jack the Ripper blanched with a look of utter fear. A lone figure seemed to congeal from within the fog, the cadence of his footsteps resounding in the stillness.
モラン
Colonel
大佐
Morn. Hey Jack, did you do all that ripping? Wonder how should we call him? The man was fair-haired and clad in a military uniform, with eyes as unfeeling as hoarfrost.
モラン大佐
What's that? What's hoarfrost?
確か前にハイドパークで
Colonel Morin? I remember hearing that name in Hyde Park. Watson took my arm, opening distance between us and the Colonel.
私の身内が世話になったようだな。ホームズ・ジュニアの助手に、ホワイトリーの娘。
Holmes, the younger's assistant, and... Wait, Holmes the younger's assistant and the daughter of the Whiteley family. I see you've been taking good care of my fellow here.
この人私のことを知っているの
How does he know me?
いや、今の言葉には少し語弊があったな。
No. Permit me to correct myself.
彼は、もう身内ではない。
After all, he is no longer an associate of mine. Speaking of which, did anyone recognize Jack as their classmate during the scuffle or what? Nope. They have not realized that yet at all. The second the words left is it's way too foggy. They can't see his features. What the fuck do you mean? Watson is like in close quarters fight with him. They must have. I'm gonna fucking scream. Second the words left his lips, he nonchalantly raised a handgun and shot Jack the Ripper through the leg. Motherfuckers can recognize this Colonel, but not Jack, right? I thought Emily was gonna realize that he was Jack when she was like, "Oh, I remember that voice," and I'm like, "Yeah, it's the voice of the boy in your class, right? Right?" And then she's like, "It's Jack the Ripper's voice, bruh." Jack collapsed to the floor, whilst Colonel Morin kept the muzzle leveled directly at him, expression completely unchanged.
どうして
Why do this now? It must be so obvious that no one mentioned it.
お
You
前
would be surprised how
こいつの
dumb these
仲間なんじゃ
characters
ないの
can
か
be.
それなのに
He's your compatriot, isn't he? How can you just raise a gun against him like that?
君は随分面白いことを口にするのだな。ジュニアの助
Very
手。
peculiar fellow, Mr. Detective.
この使えないコマはついさっきまで君たちの命を狙っていた。それをかばい立てするというのか？
This useless crony of mine was trying to dig his claws into you just moments ago. Why defend him now? Colonel Morn spoke with a derisive sneer.
第一、彼は私の期待を裏切り、命令に背いた。
I don't have much faith in their intelligence. The only bitch in this
一体どうやっ
house I
て狩り
respect
で獲
is
物を仕留めると
Marple
いうん
and
だ？
Lupin. Pendleton is on thin fucking ice. Has betrayed my expectations and disobeyed my orders. That was a beast with broken talons supposed to capture and kill its prey.
それ相応の報いを受け
Failure
なければな
carries
らな
with
い
it a price, and that
お前
price
にも
must
わ
be
かるはず
paid.
だ
Surely even you can understand that much.
Jack's expression was contorted with spasms of agony, and yet, as he gazed down the barrel of Colonel Morin's gun, his eyes had the dull sheen befitting a man who had relinquished all hope. If we tried to move, we risked the Colonel turning his gun on us. Thus, rooted where we stood, all we could do was take in the pitiful scene before us.
お前は私が
I
育てた
poured
可
so
愛い
much
息子
effort into raising you,
せ
so
めても
much
の親
love.
心だ
As a father,
私の
the
利
least
き
I
腕で
can
送っ
do
てや
is
ろう
take you from this world with my dominant hand.
さらばだ
Farewell, Jack. Colonel Morin fingered the gun's trigger once more. Jack simply looked on absent-mindedly as though he no longer fully processed what was taking place. What the fuck kind of gun is that? Damn it, Emily, why didn't you call the cops? Why didn't she call Pendleton before leaving Watson's place?
However, the expected shot never came.
やめろ
No!
Watson quickly scooped up one of Jack's broken claws where it lay on the ground and hurled it at Morin.
I think it's a Chinese pistol, not a Luger. Oh. Because it has the magazine built in. Ah.
The gun was sent tumbling from his hand and fell with a clatter to the ground.
お前
You.
何の
What are you thinking?
俺に
Are you trying to show
こ
me
の
pity?
俺に情けでもかけたつもりか
情けなんてか
Of
けるわ
course
け
I'm
ないだ
not,
ろ
you fool!
バカ野郎
Or they also call it the thumb snatcher? Why do they call it that?
お前は絶対
I
に許さ
don't
ない
intend to forgive you. I intend to turn you over to Scotland Yard.
だから
That's why I won't stand to stay idle and watch you escape justice by being executed here. I get not calling the cops because she has the directional sense of a newly blinded calf and cell phones aren't a thing, but she could have avoided all of this if she just called home and asked for a ride home. For real!
たかが
And
助手
the
風情が
assistant dares to meddle
こ
in
の
my
私の邪魔をする
affairs.
というのか
Because it bites your thumb if you're not careful when you slide the bullet strip inside the gun. Oh, huh. Colonel Morin's calm-faced sneer twisted into a mask of murderous anger. But it was at that moment that another unexpected interloper arrived on the scene. Are you gonna go now? See you later, Thunder Dude. Have a good sleep.
やれやれ息子に代わってベーカー街まで来てみれば
It's Sherlock. No. I thought I could go a stream without Sherlock. Shit. Is Dwarf here? Oh no. Oh no. Take it easy. Rip. I didn't think Sherlock was gonna show up. I am playing Bellatrix. I'll do my best then. Sherlock, you are the smart one. Tell me you called the cops. Well now, when I came to Baker Street on behalf of my son, this certainly isn't the scene I expected to stumble upon. Just gonna have to tough it out. Good luck. Thank you.
随分と懐かしい顔に会えたものだなモラン大佐
It has been some time, Colonel Morin. Yeah, this is Sherlock.
ホームズさん
Sherlock Holmes!
おじさん
Mr. Holmes!
ミス・ホワイトリーワトソン・ジュニア無事で何よりだ
Miss
息子が安
Watley,
心するだろ
William,
う
I'm glad to see the two of you are safe. I'm sure my son will be relieved to know it as well.
そして モラン大佐。
But truly,
まさか
Colonel
君が
Morin,
自由の身と
I
なっ
was
てい
not
たとはな。
expecting to see
一体
you
どんな
with
取
a
引を
man.
したのか。
Just what kind of deal must you have proffered, I wonder?
おじさん
You
こいつは-
know him? Funny concept that Watson passed his name down, but not Sherlock.
かつてこの私と戦い敗れ、ロンドン島地下深くの監獄に捕らえられたはずの
Wait,
男さ。
no. Watson has a different name from the other Watson. That's just his last name. I once bested him in battle, and he locked up deep beneath the Tower of London. Holmes, hearing the news that Watson and Emily are okay. Okay, big whoop.
私の心は死んだも同然だったさ。
My heart has been dead
貴
ever
様に
since that
屈辱を
day.
受けた
The day you
あの日からず
humiliated
っと
me.
な。ホームズ、貴様への復讐はこの
Now, I
私が
shall
果たす。
exact upon you an even greater
息子ともど
revenge,
も
Holmes.
我々
Both
スペ
you
ル
and
バ
your
ンドの
son
報
will
復を
feel
味わうがいい。
Spellbound's wrath. Yeah, the OG Watson's name is John Watson. Yeah, I think this Watson's name is William, right? I don't know if it says his name here, but I know he's got a different name.
それは遠慮しておこ
I'm
私
afraid
はま
I
だしも
can't have that.
う。息子の名誉を
Bringing
汚
me
すこ
to
とは避
harm
け
is
たいか
one
らな。
thing, but I'll not have you sully my son's good name.
しかし、かつてスペルバウンドの右腕として名を
To
馳せ
think
た君
the
も
mastermind
落ちたものだ
renowned
な。
as Spellbound's
こんな子供
right-hand
に仕事
man
をさせるなん
has
て。
reached such an idea. I can scarcely believe you're doling out your dirty work to mere children like him. Yeah, Sherlock literally said his name a few lines ago.
上から物を言う態度は相変わら
See,
ず
you've
だな。
still lost none of your
その
arrogance.
忌々しい顔
Oh,
を
how I long to see
恐怖
that
と
smug,
後悔で染め上げてやる。
detestable face fraught with fear and despair. Kind of fruity. Yeah, kind of fruity. Kind of fruity. Lauren, if he locked the fucking no. There we go. There's my expression. Some people think they can outsmart me. Maybe. I've yet to meet one that can outsmart Bullet. Suddenly, from far away, we heard the telltale whistle of Scotland Yard's forces.
ホームズ、
Holmes, one day,
貴様は
I shall
必ず
take your life with my
こ
own
の私の
hands.
手で葬っ
Be
てやる。
I who delivers that final
忘れるな。
blow.
貴様を殺すのはこの私の役目だ。
Sherlock as Linton is the Wuthering Heights analogy. Shin jump scare, you can do it now. You have a gun.
それにホームズジュニアの
As
助
for
手、
you, assistant to Holmes the
私の
younger,
邪魔をしたこ
you'll
と
regret getting in
必
my
ず
way.
後悔させ
That
てや
I
ろう。
assure you.
スペルバウンドはその
Spellbound
姿を
does
見た
not
者を
suffer
決して
those
逃
who
がさ
have
ない。
seen its members to live.
たとえそれが
Neither women nor children
女
are
子供であってもな。
accepted. Bleh. After turning his head to cast a cruel glare directly at me, Colonel Morin stepped back into the fog and was gone.
待て
Wait!
待つんだワトソンジュニア。
Hold on, William.
でもあいつを捕まえないとホームズの疑
If
い
we
が
don't catch him, your son will continue to remain a suspect.
この霧の中でむやみに追いかけるのは危険だ。待ち伏せの可能性もある。
It's too dangerous to chase him when the fog is this thick. There's a very real possibility we may run afoul of an ambush if we try.
それに
And besides, we have a matter that needs tending to right here. Sherlock Holmes looked across the quiet alley. Yeah, go after the man with a gun. His gaze fell upon Jack the Ripper, who had struggled to his feet, hand pressed against his wounded leg.
おい 切り裂きジャック、その足。
Jack, your leg. Show the world why you aren't the smart one of the group.
リッチモンドパーク。
Richmond Park. Pardon?
あの人は狩りが好きなんだよ。キツネ狩りが。
He loves hunting. Fox hunting, to be more particular.
上司に極上の獲物を捧げられるんだったら、モラン大佐は部下なんて簡単に切り捨てる。
If he'd allow him to offer up the ultimate prize to his master, the colonel would cut off any number of subordinates.
おい、それって一体どういう。
Stop! What are you trying to do?
もう俺に話しかけるな。
Don't speak to me no more.
誰も助けろなんて頼んでない。お前の綺麗事なんてもう聞きたくないんだよ。
I ain't ask you for aid. I don't want to be bothered by your kindness any more than I've got to.
イライラするんだよ。お前みたいなバカなやつ見てると。
Seeing fools like you bungle your way to victory sickens me.
なんだと。
What? Footsteps could be heard, and another man emerged from the curtain of fog.
ホームズさん、一体どうしたんです？お話の途中でいきなりこちらに駆け込んで。
Holmes, whatever is the matter with you? You simply turned and dashed off in the middle of a conversation. Of the cast, who would you say would distort over a violin, in your opinion? I feel like, or not Holmes. Is it Holmes? I think Holmes plays violin, right? A band of officers from Scotland Yard arrived on the scene, led by Sergeant Ryan.
あの後、家庭教師の女性は一体どうなったんです？
What? Distort?
事件のお話の続きが気になって気になって。
I'm gonna distort! Oh no! Give me a second. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Where is it? There we go. There we go! I'm distorted. Sugoi! Rare footage of Jackie claiming a redeem. Distorio. Gormless. Gormless. Look at my face. Oh my god. London Distortion Mysteria. What is this? I keep falling for it. I keep thinking you guys moved on from that. Saved a meme just for the occasion. Damn it. During my holiday season, why does my avatar look so much more? Why does my model look so much more pathetic and baby? Like this. It keeps eating the raw ones. That's because I thought you guys moved on. I guess not. He's immune to the one with setups. I must not know what happened to that Lady Tudor after that. You cannot simply leave me hanging. I must know how the case ended. He escaped! So much more pathetic and baby. Damn. He now just like me for real, for real. Big brain but brittle body. The sound of Watson's voice. I turned to where Jack the Ripper had been seemingly known its moments before. Looks like something started on Bug's Life. It kinda does, doesn't it? Stop looking at me with them big ol' eyes. Stop looking at me with them big ol' eyes. At the sound of Watson's voice, I turned to where Jack the Ripper had been seemingly moments before. Bro! Is he getting away? You guys are idiots. He's gone? Oh, when did he go? He had stood there, clutching his leg less than a minute ago. Now all that remained to suggest he had ever been there at all were the bloodstains and the remnants of the shattered claws. His injury wasn't something one could simply walk away from. Where could he have gone? I'm still mad about the Shinichi and Kaito are related reveal. Can a motherfucker blame me with shit like this? What is this? Yeah, they look the same, and we all just assumed, rightfully so, that the author of Detective Conan only knows how to draw one main character, which, by the way, this is actually true. He has one main character type. These are all different guys? Really? Damn. They all look the same. Oh my god, Jack literally got shot in the leg. How did they let him escape? Yeah, he had to have been, like, jumping and like struggling to get up. Why are you guys such big idiots?
残念だが、こちらは現在起こっている事件なのでね。切り裂きジャックだよ、ライアン君。
Not of Jack the Ripper.
彼はイーストエンド地区で犯行に及んでいるはずでは。
決めつけは良くないな。それに
Assumptions are the enemy of
何も犯
investigation,
人が
my
一
good
人とは
fellow.
限らないだろう。
The key here is not to presume that there is not merely a single Jack the Ripper.
それは一体どういう。
What do you mean by that? He should have left a trail of blood too. Are you guys idiots, right? What the hell?
この地区一帯に警官を増員して捜索に当たっ
I
てくれ。
need you to increase
私も
Scotland
付き合おう。
Yard's presence in this area and put them to searching right away. I shall join you in the manhunt, of course.
彼は手傷を負ってい
He's
る。
injured,
う
so
まくいけば
if we act
後を
quickly,
たどることが
we
で
might
き
be
るかもし
able
れ
to
ない。
follow his tracks.
それなら私も
I want to come as well. Yet it was not to be. The instant I strode forward to join them, it became clear that something was wrong. No, I know. I can't put any weight on my leg.
足に力が入らないなんて。
Perhaps it was the sudden release of the tension that had built up during the encounter. Whatever the case, I found myself quite unable to support my own frame, falling to my knees. But yeah, all four of them are all different guys, so I'm still fuming. Yeah, that's just dumb. How would you let the murderer out of your eyes for like a single second?
大丈夫か？
Emily, are you alright?
大丈夫よ、ワト
I'm
さん。
alright, Watson.
すぐに
I'll be up and about in a
すぐに
minute.
立てるから。
Watson had fought with such bravery on my behalf, and yet here I was, rendered momentarily unable to even stand. I hung my head, feeling thoroughly pitiful.
ごめんなさい。
I'm sorry. I'm useless, aren't I?
私、
ちょっとごめん。
Emily, it's I who needs to say he's sorry. Like, ain't no way he even got far. I'm going insane. Chase him down! Why are we just standing here and letting him go? Watson knelt down and took me into his arms, scooping me up from the cold ground.
ワトさん
To my surprise, he yelped perhaps a little too loudly. His face was closer now, and I felt his chest rise and fall with the cadence of his breathing.
おじさん、俺は彼女を事務所に連れて行きます。
I'll take her to the office, Mr. Holmes.
ああ、わかった。
Alright.
こっちは私たちに任せなさい。
でもワトさん。
Watson?
モラン
What
大佐。
about Colonel Morton and Jack the Ripper? We already let Jack the Ripper go because we're a bunch of idiots.
今は
Right now, your well-being is more important than either of them. I think we should catch him, though. Is the queen lamenting over how incompetent the justice system is, and that's why she's desperate enough to deploy high schoolers to help out? And that might be it. You might be onto something there.
No, I'm fine.
We need to switch teams. Emily is fine.
悪いけどそれは聞けないよ。
Sorry, but
君を放ってお
I
く
can't
なんて
just leave you like
できる
this.
わけない。
His expression was so serious, so straight-faced, that there was little I could offer up in reply.
Just call Pendleton to pick her up. Holy shit, right? This is why you should have called Pendleton like ages ago.
じゃあ
I think Emily just needs to have a button that like
体を寄せるだ
rings
けで
Pendleton at this point. Be sure to hold on tight. Or if you'd rather try walking, you can lean on me. And this part needed more time in the oven.
君の体に負担はかけたくない。きつかったらすぐに言えよ。
I'll try and get you there as fast as I'm able, but I don't want to be too rough. If you want me to slow down, just say so, alright?
Alright. I nodded, clinging weakly to the front of his shirt.
おいワトソンジュニアレディーは優しく丁寧に扱いたまえ。
Don't forget, William, a lady is to be treated with kindness and care. Sherlock? I would have never thought Sherlock to be that kind of character to say that, to be honest.
言われなくても分かっています。
I understand that perfectly well.
With that, he departed, making his way as quickly as he was able while carrying me. Before I knew it, I was resting my head against his chest.
I wouldn't be so frustrated if it wasn't for the fact that a lot of characters seem to just lack common sense. Yeah. You can definitely tell this game is aimed at like a very young audience. Cause oh my goodness.
Our destination was the Baker Street office.
ワトソンジュニアは素直だな。うちの息子とは大違いだ。どんな育て方をすればあんな風に育つのか。
He's so forthright and open with his feelings. A marked difference from my own son. I wonder how does one raise a child such that they become like this? Damn, are kids that stupid?
それにしても
I don't think it's so much that the
Moran
kids are
Paisa
stupid. I think it's the people making stuff for kids assuming that they can't handle complexity. More pressing, however, how did Colonel Moran weasel out of his imprisonment?
まさか
Could
あい
it
つが
be
生きて
that
出
he
て
is
き
alive and secured the Colonel's release?
彼は滝から落ちたはずだ。
Some fall
あ
from
そ
that
こから生
waterfall
還
with
する
my
なん
own
て不可
eyes.
能なはず。
No man could have survived such a plunge. Alright.
それでそこでず
Yeah,
っと
I'm
見てい
gonna
たんだろ
save here.
出てきたまえ。
I'm gonna save here. I am dwarfless. I am dwarfless. I don't wanna do like a whole Sherlock scene without dwarf. Damn, are kids that's oh wait. Hi Elio, hi Phoenix. Like shit dude, even in shoujo mangas, it's so common for the characters to offer to walk the heroine or any girl home or let her stay the night. So I'm just baffled at the lack of that being a thing here, right? No, don't worry. I'm switching over to Atelier Fierce. Don't worry. But you, I am afraid, are dwarfless. I think you are doing great as Sherlock. Thank you. Okay, yeah. That is gonna be it for London Detective Mysteria. This is a good spot to end anyways. I'm gonna go on a BRB to go get something to eat. And then we will play some Atelier Fierce. So I'll see you guys in a bit.